Want to get stronger without getting bigger and bulkier? You're not alone. Strength isn't just about size. Some of the most powerful athletes are smaller than you think. Many people admire slim, powerful figures like Bruce Lee and One Punch Man. The good news is you can achieve this. The challenge? The same things that build strength often build muscle size too. But don't worry, there are ways to maximize strength while keeping your frame lean. Getting stronger usually means pushing your muscles to their limit. This triggers mechanical tension, metabolic stress, and muscle damage, which are great for building both strength and size. But what if you want the strength without the bulk? Fortunately, there are ways to train that focus on boosting your power without making you look bigger. The secret? It's not just about how much muscle you have, but how well you can use that muscle. The better you can use what you've got, the stronger you can be without getting bulky. Here are some of the most effective strategies to focus on. First, lose body fat. If you have excess fat, losing it will make you look leaner while maintaining your current strength. Cutting fat is the easiest way to appear stronger without adding muscle mass. So, how do you lose body fat fast? It's very simple. Eat less, do exercise, and just walk. Do calisthenics. Here is how calisthenics build insane strength and physique without getting too big. First up, shoulders. With calisthenics, you can build 3D shoulders. Exercises like handstands and push-up variations target your deltoids, making them stronger and more defined. One of the best exercises to build shoulders is through handstand push-ups, but most people can't do it. Here's how you do it. If you're a complete beginner, start with knee push-ups, then normal proper push-ups, then pike push-ups, and work your way up by doing handstands and wall-supported handstand push-ups. Next, your lats and back. Pull-ups and muscle-ups will make these back muscles pop, giving you that wide, powerful upper body look. If you can't do a pull-up, try doing negative pull-ups, then work your way up to doing a proper pull-up. Chest muscles come next. Push-ups and dips will shape and define your pecs, creating that chiseled, muscular chest. Your core will also undergo a major transformation. Exercises like front levers and side planks will not only make your core stronger, but also reveal your abs as they become more defined. Arms? You'll build both bicep and tricep strength with dips and pelican curls. You'll feel stronger, and your arms will look more muscular. Don't think we forgot about the legs. Calisthenics can give you strong, athletic legs. Lunges and squats will work your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, creating powerful lower body strength. If normal calisthenics are too easy for you, then do weighted calisthenics by wearing a weighted vest. If you don't have it, just get a bag and fill it with heavy stuff like books or anything heavy. Another way to build strength is, overcoming isometrics. This technique builds strength without size by having you push or pull against an immovable object. For example, pushing against a bar loaded with more weight than you can lift forces your muscles to work at their maximum without causing much muscle damage. This kind of training strengthens your nervous system's ability to fire more muscle fibers at once, increasing your strength without adding size. Try holding each isometric contraction for 6 seconds, using maximum effort, and working at multiple angles. This ensures you're improving your strength across a range of movements. When you train, you're only using a fraction of your muscle fibers. Even elite athletes only tap into about 75% of their potential muscle power. By practicing heavy lifts or isometric exercises, you send stronger signals from your brain to your muscles, teaching them to contract harder. This increases your overall strength without needing to grow the muscles larger. In strength training, learning technique is just as important as building muscle. Martial artists, for example, often hit harder than bodybuilders even though they have less muscle mass. Why? Because they've practiced their movements over and over, training their muscles to fire in sync for maximum power. This concept, known as intermuscular coordination, is key to becoming stronger without getting bigger. One simple way to improve strength is by spreading out your training throughout the day. Let's talk about a method that allows you to gain strength without putting on bulk. It's called greasing the groove. a technique made popular by kettlebell expert Pavel Tsatsouline. This technique isn't about breaking down your muscles and then waiting days for them to recover. It's about training your nervous system by repeating movements frequently throughout the day, without getting too tired. Let's say you have a pull-up bar at home. Every time you walk by it, do a couple of pull-ups. You won't do enough reps to build muscle mass, but you'll practice the movement and gradually get stronger. Another way is to do it intuitively. Just do as many reps as you feel you can handle each day without overtraining. Some people even turn it into a game. A guy I knew had a pull-up bar in his doorway, and every time he walked through, he did 2 pull-ups. By the end of the day, he'd done 15 to 20 high-quality reps without feeling exhausted. Key points to remember is that keep your form perfect. Don't train your nervous system with bad form. Those habits are hard to fix later. The beauty of greasing the groove is that it works on any strength movement, whether it's push-ups, squats, or even more complex exercises. It's all about training your nervous system to be efficient and making sure your body knows how to recruit the right muscles for the job. If you've tried this technique, share your experience in comments. You've probably heard of farmer's strength, a kind of wiry, unassuming strength that manual laborers often develop. Farmers get strong because they're constantly moving, lifting, and exerting themselves in unpredictable ways. They carry heavy objects, push and pull, and do it all day long. Their strength comes from real-world tasks, not from isolating muscles in the gym. To develop this kind of strength, add dynamic full-body movements to your workouts. Think flipping tires, carrying heavy objects, or using sledgehammers. These movements require you to stabilize your body, coordinate multiple muscle groups, and use your core, all while staying lean. When you bench press, you're lying on a bench. When do you ever do that in real life? Real-world strength comes from using your muscles in standing, moving positions. Practicing these positions makes you stronger in day-to-day activities without adding bulk. If you want strength that translates to speed and power, add explosive movements like clapping push-ups, jump squats, and medicine ball throws to your routine. These exercises improve your rate of force development, your ability to contract your muscles quickly and powerfully. They won't add much size because the movements are fast and don't cause the muscle damage needed to build mass. Why avoiding bulk isn't always necessary. While you can definitely get stronger without adding bulk, there are also benefits to putting on muscle mass. Larger muscles act as a kind of armor, protecting your body from impact. They can also help you lift heavier weights and improve your overall performance in the gym. That said, you can still get strong while keeping a slim, athletic frame by focusing on strength training techniques like those listed above. If you like this video, hit the like button. It helps others find this content, and that helps me too. If you're new here, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.